I thought I would give you a quick little tour of this room in our home because of 4th of July coming up. So we're starting to decorate for the 250th anniversary of our country. These two boxes here are dollhouses. So they will be coming to the channel in the future. This is another dollhouse that will be coming to the channel in the future. I also have some 1800s bisque dolls in here that I am going to be talking to you about them. And if you've been watching the channel, you've been seeing this dollhouse, Windermere. If it seems like we have a lot of chairs, we do, and that is my fault. I have this passion for chairs. I think I have 13 Windsor chairs. And that doesn't even count the ones that aren't a Windsor style. These two here I've recently purchased. Well, I hope all of you have a wonderful 4th of July. And it's so special, our 250th anniversary. Okay, you all take care. See you soon.